supposed to be a sunny day, wasn't it? Dude, the wind here is absolutely incredible. Yeah. So it's still blowing offshore west, actually. Just sitting here waiting for it. Whoa! Those are some 60s moving out there. Not 60s, that could have been late 50s, or upper 50s, early 60s. What the fuck was that? I have never really seen this much storm face ever, where the sun is fucking shining and the wind like blows like almost 65 here. What the fuck? I mean, I've never seen that before. Here we go. Sun's I'm gonna call this video Sunny Rain Storm Chase. Because it's sunny up here, but as you can see, Mother Nature is not saying that at all. You can see that winds are blowing up here around. They were just blowing around up to 50 or 60 down the street there. And now they're blowing. It's starting to pick up. They keep picking up and dropping.